This is Gokul, the Valley of Flowers, our home garden in the city of Jodhpur, Rajasthan, India. And I am Ravindra Kabra, the Bhagwan of Gokul. This is our home garden dedicated to my grandfather Gokul Chandraji Kabra, a genius, a gardening genius, I would say. And I started learning gardening, or maybe I started following gardening from the early age of under 10. I don't have any botanical or horticulture background. Learned everything by doing the garden myself, and even today I am managing the whole garden by myself. There is no helper, no gardener in Gokul. The beautiful rain lilies. Absolutely brilliant. Today is 10th June 2020, and this is how Gokul looks today. Finally converting from winter garden to summer garden. And this is the beautiful entrance to Gokul. This is the beautiful entrance to Gokul. The lush green carpet, the vinkas, a garden of dreams, a garden of inspiration, a garden of positivity. The bougainvilleas on the terrace, blooming a bit. I'll be holding a webinar on how to grow bougainvilleas very soon, most likely coming Saturday. So all those who are interested, send me a message on inbox, my messenger, showing your interest. It's absolutely free, no charges, and anybody can join. The limitation is of course 100. Maximum 100 can join. So first 100 gets a chance to join this my sharing of how to grow bougainvilleas. And after this, maybe after this next week, I mean coming Saturday, I would be most likely sharing it. I'll be doing the bougainvillea section, and then after that I'll be doing a session on gardening, which will give you an inside out about gardening, how to go about it, what to look for, what plants one can have, whether he's living in a flat or in a house or whatever small big space he has. A little about summer gardening, a little about winter gardening, a little about seasonal flowers, little about summer winter flowers, a little about perennials. Everything would be, I'll try to include in this session on gardening. Which would be not this Saturday, next Saturday, the last Saturday of this month. Or if it is, I'm not sure what, if it is not in this month, then maybe July first week. These are glorious, absolutely beautiful. And whenever the cameras goes towards the flowers, they start shaking with joy. They express their joy by dancing. Kurkuma. As if every flower wants to bloom in Gokul. We are so happy to be blooming in Gokul. Look at the freshness, look at the happiness. The freshness of flowers is the true judgment of any garden. Growing flowers is not a big deal, it's not a big issue. But flowers which are fresh, which invite you, which give you a feeling of smile is the true perfect gardening, I would say. A perfect gardener is where leaves are fresh, leaves are inviting, the flowers are inviting. ऐसा नहीं है, फ्लावर्स तो सभी इनवाइटिंग होते हैं, बट फ़र्क होता है. आप किसी भी ऐसे गार्डन में जाइए जहाँ जिसका गार्डन है, अगर वो खुद उससे जुड़ा हुआ है, तब आपको डिफरेंस पता लगेगा कि व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस इन गार्डन नर्चर्ड बाय ए पर्सन हु इज़ पैशनेट अबाउट gardens, about nature. Gokul probably should be in full summer bloom by first week of August. I am hoping. Could be slightly earlier, a week earlier, but most likely it should be in full bloom by first week of August. Gokul nurtured by this Bhagwan Ravindra Kabra solely. No helper, no gardener, as I always say. And I love gardening, I love photography, I like poetry, and love doing the garden by myself. This is Gokul, the Valley of Flowers, our home garden in the city of Jodhpur, Rajasthan, India. And every nature lover is welcome to this beautiful world of flowers. And the Sikra is there, if you can see it. There are around 12-15 species of birds which come every day in Gokul, with around between 100 to 200 parrots varying every day, but generally this is Gokul, the Valley of Flowers, and every nature lover is welcome to come to Gokul. It would be my pleasure, it would be our pleasure to welcome you all, to share my knowledge, whatever little I have, though not much of it, but still जितना भी मुझे आता है, आप जानना चाहेंगे, आप जब भी कोई आता है गार्डन में, तो it would be my pleasure to share Gokul. My experience on flowers, my experience on gardening, my experience on different flowers, on this beautiful lush green carpet which remains 365 days a year. Keep smiling, connect yourself to nature, be the reason for someone's smile every day. It will make your life beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed this video, a look at Gokul today morning, that is 10th June 2020. A garden, as I said, a garden of dreams, a garden of positivity, a garden of inspiration, a garden of energy. This is what people who have been visiting Gokul for last 7 years, I think more than 1,000 people must have so far visited Gokul, and this is what all they have to say about Gokul. आइए, प्रकृति का आनंद लीजिए, प्रकृति संग मुस्कुराइए, प्रकृति संग खिलखिलाइए, इस बागवान संग बतियाइए, अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कीजिए, मुझसे जो जानना चाहें जानिए और ज़िंदगी को बहुत खूबसूरत बनाइए। यही इस बागवान की दिल से मन से इच्छा है कि जिससे मिलूं उसके जीवन में प्रकृति के रंग घोल सकूं। यही ईश्वर से मैं कामना करता हूं, आशा करता हूं। और ईश्वर बहुत दयालु है, हर इच्छा ईश्वर पूरी करता है, क्योंकि चाह नहीं है बहुत। जब चाह नहीं है तो फिर स्वतः ही इच्छाएं पूरी होती है। ज़िंदगी को सीमित इच्छाओं पे करिए, आकांक्षाओं को कम करिए, अपनी ईगो को छोड़िए और फिर ज़िंदगी संग मुस्कुराइए। थैंक यू। दिस इज़ बागवान रविंद्र काबरा from our home garden Gokul, the Valley of Flowers, our home garden in the city of Jodhpur, Rajasthan, India. Keep smiling. Bye bye and thank you for watching.